In this video, I'll detail how to turn on vibration on iPhone. So if you want your iPhone to only vibrate without using the action button, like putting your iPhone on silent mode, and you want to turn on vibration on iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. This is called the vibrate mode on your iPhone. So basically, when you turn on the vibrate mode on your iPhone is not going to vibrate without ringing when you have an incoming calls or when you have any message. Now, to turn on vibration mode or turn on vibrate mode on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on sound and haptics. Then once you click on that, to turn on vibrate mode, all you just need to do is come to ringtone, click on that. Then under ringtone, come here and click on haptics. Select your vibration. Then you can also come here and create a custom vibration mode. You can see I already created what is called vibrate mode. This is going to vibrate based on my preference. Then click on create new vibration. Then go ahead and click your vibration. Then click on save. After that, once you selected the vibration pattern you want to use, hit the back button. Then come back, reduce the ringtone and alert to the barest minimum. So once that is reduced to the barest minimum and you've changed your haptics here to always play, that's going to vibrate when you have an incoming call, then that is all you need to do. And then you can also repeat the same thing on text notes. So choose your haptics, then hit the back button again and repeat the same thing for all the alerts you have on this page. Once all is set and set to vibration, and then your volume level under ring tone and alert is set to barest minimum, this is going to enable vibrate mode on your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.